Greetings to the International Yoga Day to all. So we are in the end of second wave of COVID-19 and we are facing the third wave of COVID-19 and we are accepting the children are the victim for that. So we should ready ourselves to face the challenge. So doctors are prescribing pranayama to face the challenge of COVID-19 third wave. So here I give certain tips on pranayama. We should first sit straight or keep our spine erect. That means in the sense you don't stiff your spine. Should be gently. You should make it straight and relax. You should make enough adjustment to your rib cage so that the lungs will function automatically to the maximum capacity. That's important. Then you go for the pranayama technique. First, the thing you should do it, you should keep your spine erect. Then automatically lungs make enough space for your rib cage, gives enough space for your lungs. It will help you for the lungs functioning. Then the simple pranayama technique is, the first one is Bhramari. Which is closing your ears and you are chanting sound Im for 11 times. Just you are closing your eyes and just plug your index finger and rotate it upwards. When you are doing like this, the external sound will be locked. It will not enter to ear. Then inhale through the nostril and exhale. While exhaling, chant the sound like that. You should do 11 times. After 11 times, you should ears should be like this only. Don't remove your fingers. Then after few seconds, there will be resumbing of the sound in your ears. Then slowly unplug your ears. Then gently open your eyes. After 11 times, do palming. This pranayama will help you to improve the nitric oxide level, which will help your immune system. This is the first one, Bhramari pranayama. The next is first you should measure your breath. How many seconds you are inhaling and how many seconds you are exhaling. Just watch for a minute your breathing. Then you come to an average that you are inhaling 3 seconds and exhaling 3 seconds. Like that, take your own average and do the practice for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, then you increase the exhalation. If you are inhalation for 3 seconds, then exhale for 5 seconds. That it is, the ratio should be 1:1.5. If you are inhaling for 5 seconds, means exhaling for 7 seconds or 8 seconds. That is enough. So you are inhaling. First, for the preparation, you are inhaling to right nostril for your own capacity and exhaling to the same thing. Just as a traffic police, you are closing a nostril and allowing the air to flow. You are inhaling to the left nostril and exhaling to the left nostril. Like that 5 times. Observe the breath, nothing else. Then after 5 times, close the left nostril and open the right nostril. Allow the air go and come. Just it is go through the nostril, right nostril, and comes out through the right nostril. This is 5 times. After 5 times, then you start inhaling, exhale to the left nostril, then inhale to left nostril and exhale to the right nostril. Inhale to the right nostril and exhale to left nostril. So you are inhaling for 3 counts, and then after inhalation you are exhaling for 5 counts. Then inhaling to the right nostril for 3 counts and exhaling for 5 counts. So do this process for 10 minutes. This is the second one. The first one is Bhramari Pranayama, the second one is Anuloma Viloma. These two pranayama is very important to keep your lungs healthy and immune system healthy. So these two pranayama are very important. So you should go for a good walk for 10 minutes or 15 minutes so that your both nostril will be open. The people are facing main problem is always our nostril air will go either one nostril active, another nostril is passive. So for both nostril equal opening, you should go for vigorous walk for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes you sit in a place, your spine should be erect, then only you can go for the second one pranayama. There your both nostril should be opened. This pranayama, the both pranayama can do everybody, children, patient, young people, old people, everyone can do this pranayama. There is no age bar for that. After 14 years to 100 years, even more than 100 years, people can do this two pranayama. One is Bhramari, second one is Anuloma and Viloma. There is these two pranayama can do both gender can do this pranayama. So learn the technique and do the practice. There is no complication in both the pranayama. You can just use the guidelines and you can do the pranayama. There is no harmful in this pranayama. This is very basic only. If you are want to go or advanced, you want to learn, you want to practice advanced, then you consult a teacher, yogic teacher or trainer, yogic trainer. So these two pranayamas are very basic and it will helpful for you to overcome the stress and get the healthier lungs. For that you practice the both pranayama, Bhramari and Nadi Shodhan pranayama.